Unlocking the meaning of joined in matrimony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful depths of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, joined in matrimony. This expression carries deep meaning and tradition, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just the definition, but also the cultural and emotional significance behind these words. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Joined in matrimony is a phrase that evokes the binding or uniting of two individuals in marriage. The key components here are joined, which means to connect or unite, and matrimony, referring to the state of being married. When we say two people are joined in matrimony, we are acknowledging their commitment to each other in a recognized union, typically in a formal or religious ceremony. Matrimony is a term that holds deep cultural and religious significance across various societies. It's not just a legal union, but a sacred bond that carries with it duties, rights, and the shared life of the couple. Understanding the full weight of matrimony helps in appreciating why being joined in it is such a profound milestone in people's lives. It symbolizes love, partnership, and a promise of enduring support. Ceremonies marking the beginning of matrimony can vary widely across different cultures and religions, yet they all serve a common purpose: to celebrate and legitimize the union. These ceremonies often include vows, exchanges of rings, and other rituals that symbolize the joining of two lives. By exploring these diverse traditions, we gain insight into the universal importance of love and commitment that joined in matrimony represents. We hope this exploration of joined in matrimony has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase, but also the depth of connection it represents. Marriage is a journey of two people, united in love and commitment, ready to face life's challenges together. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about linguistic expressions, understanding phrases like this enriches your comprehension of not only language but also human connections. Thank you for joining us, and may your learning journey continue to be as enriching and enlightening as ever.